In this video, I'll show you how to install the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 or 10. In the Windows search bar, type PowerShell. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator, then press Yes. Now just paste this code. I'll leave the code in this video's description. Copy the code from this video, paste it into your browser, and then paste it into PowerShell. Finally, press Enter. Wait for a moment, and after a few seconds, once it's done, you can simply close this window. And now, you'll have the Microsoft Store installed on your PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.